If you want to know the role of images in enhancing the visual appeal, user engagement and search engine optimization of your content, then stay tuned for this informative lecture. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO Content Writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs and I am excited to have you here for lecture 50. In today's lecture, we will explore a crucial aspect of SEO content writing, the role of images in enhancing your content's effectiveness and search engine optimization. By the end of this lecture, you will understand why images matter in SEO, how they can improve user experience, and the best practices for incorporating them into your content. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So, let's begin by discussing why images play a vital role in SEO content writing. Images can break up the text, making your content more visually appealing and easier to digest for your audience. High quality and relevant images can captivate your audience's attention, keeping them on your page longer and reducing bounce rates. Properly optimized images can be indexed by search engines, adding an extra dimension to your content's relevance and authority. Now that you understand the importance of images in SEO content, let's explore some best practices for incorporating them effectively. First, we have image relevance. Choose images that are relevant to your content's topic and align with your target keywords. Got it? This ensures that the images complement the text and provide additional context. Now, always use high quality images that are clear, sharp and well composed. Blurry or pixelated images can detract from your content's professionalism. Got it? Next, we have image optimization. Optimize images for web use by reducing file size without compromising quality. Use tools like image compression to ensure fast page loading times. Got it? Now, give your image files meaningful names that describe the content and include descriptive alt text that provides context to visually impaired users and search engines. In our upcoming lessons, I will provide practical guidance on how to effectively implement these practices. So, be sure to stay tuned for those valuable insights. Next, we have position images strategically within your content to enhance the reader's understanding of the topic. Use captions if necessary to add context. Next, if you use images that require attribution, make sure to provide proper credit to the source. This is not only ethical but also avoids copyright issues. Next, ensure that your images are responsive and display well on various devices, including smartphones and tablets. This is the most important point. Got it? So, in last we have, if you have a large number of images, consider creating an image sitemap to help search engines discover and index them efficiently. Now, to assess the impact of images on your SEO efforts, monitor user engagement metrics such as time on page, bounce rates and click-through rates before and after incorporating images into your content. Now, let's illustrate the importance of images with a real life example. Imagine you have a travel blog post about a picturesque destination. Initially, the post consisted of text-only descriptions. Then you added high quality images of the destination landscapes, attraction and activities throughout the post. The impact will be readers could visualize the destination, making the content more engaging. The addition of images kept visitors on the page longer. Search engines recognized the relevance and quality of the content, boosting its rankings. Got it? So, in conclusion, we can say that images are a valuable asset in SEO content writing. When used correctly, they can enhance user experience, increase engagement and contribute to improved SEO rankings. By following the best practices we have discussed today, you can effectively leverage images to optimize your content for both readers and search engines. So, stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 50 where we have explored the role of images in SEO content writing. If you want to get the exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website and contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.